All right, welcome back to the shed. Today we are going to have a look at a new CCTV from Temu. Now the thing with this is I had my old one, which is, where is it now? Here, this is the one. And it worked flawlessly for 13 months. Unfortunately, the weather got in behind that lens there. I don't know if you can see that. Behind that lens there, see that? And that was the end of this. So I thought I'll give it another go. Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Okay, Wi-Fi camera. This is not the same camera. Now, to be honest with you, I would have bought the same camera if I could have done, because it was a good camera. So in the box you get, let's have a look, see if I can get that right. In the box you get the power supply. Dodgy little plug on it. I've already got a power supply, so I probably won't be using that one, but it's there. We get the camera itself, and you get some little fixing screws. And what's this? This is the cover for, let's just see that there. This is the cover for, when you got like an RJ45 connection as well, if you want to hardwire it straight in so it's not Wi-Fi. So that's there as well. And we get the camera. Put that there out the way for a minute. Is this working? Yes, it is. So with this one, it's slightly different to the other one. It still feels cheap plasticky, don't get me wrong, okay? But I didn't pay 100 quid for it. I paid £32 for this. It goes on the wall, same as the other one did. Got two little places just there. And this does feel like crappy plastic. As long as it works, I don't care. It's got 4 LEDs at the top one. That one there, this one there, that's stationary, that is. This stays exactly where it is. The one below it, that can turn, and is it IPT or something like that? They can track, it automatically tracks humans, etc. This has got lights on it, and it's also got infrared. I think these are the same. I think it's got 2 lights or 2 infrared. I'm just hoping that they've sealed the glass thing properly. Now let's have a look. What was it just this? That's it. Wi-Fi camera. I've got to download and install the app for it and configure it. So I'll have to do all that first. This one, I'll put a little, if it's still there, because I don't know if you know about Temu. You can buy something, then go to check on it, and it's been removed from whatever. So hopefully this will go on my wall. It's the same fixing as my previous camera, little 12-volt socket, but the difference is this is black. So does that come off? I don't know. So you can actually adjust it. It's got a little ratchet in there. So if you want it, say the wall is there, you can adjust it a little bit. Stuck to the wall, so you can adjust it to where you want to keep it. I don't know if there's a tightening mechanism on that. You can see in there. And that one would be stationary. So that one could look at your drive. That one would look at whatever's in the front of the house and follow it down to the door, etc. It does feel plasticky. It does feel like cheap plasticky. But at the end of the day, as long as it works, I don't care. If this one lasts as long as the other one, which was 13 odd months, and we had some serious weather in that time, we'll have to wait and see. So I'll probably do a little video on setting up the app, etc., etc. I might even do a little video on how this works. The trouble is when you do this is you don't really want people to see outside your house, do you? People you don't know, so they could probably work out where you live, etc., etc. So anyway, this was from Temu. This was, I think it was £32 something. I'll have to have a look, or maybe 34 with delivery, because this came. I had to pay £2 delivery for this because it was supplied from, I don't know, somebody drop shipping from Temu, and it took 3-4 days to come. It wasn't long at the end of the day. So there we go. There's the Temu camera. CCTV camera, and I'll update you anyway to see if it's as good as the previous one. I had a lot of questions about the previous one, and if you want to know any questions about it, oh, I forgot to tell you. Look, hang on. In here, is it this way? I can never figure out which way this is. Let's have a look. Right, got a reset button and a place for a TF card or an SD card that'll go in there. I can use the old TF SD card from the previous one, and that'll just close up like that, so it's sealed again. So, okie dokie, until the next time, take care.